Followed then by Sangerie, Red Bloom trying to keep Hazarista on the inside and doing so successfully. Then Penkenna Princess, followed by on the outside Alexander Goldrun with plenty to give from Virginia Waters. Something exciting with about 6 or 8 lengths to make up from Joint Aspiration. Now the race is on. Casidora's the first to strike for home. Takes it up now, Red Bloom. And here's Alexander Goldrun let loose down the outside. She's absolutely flying. Alexander Goldrun races up, takes the lead from Casadora. They're followed by Red Bloom, Virginia Waters, something exciting, and further back then is Penkenna Princess, but it's all over. It's Alexander Goldrun. She's far too classy. She wins the Nassau by 2 lengths. Second Casadora, third Red Bloom, fourth Sonja.